Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, I got some work done today. I rewired up my batteries. I kind of cut the lengths down on my power wires so they can all reach out to each battery at like perfect lengths. So I'm going with the black and red theme. So I got 6 runs of ground, 6 runs of power on 3 G50s. My G50s are bolted down with these brackets right here. So I got some in the front and I got some on the side. And these are the grounds right here. Well, not right here, but over there. So I got 6 grounds, 6 power. And I have the power is 15K. I got it right here so I can see what room I have, which I'll have room because I'm gonna have wires running down there, coming back up to the battery. Also, I put one of the subs in, as y'all see. Just put it in just to see if it was difficult or not. And tomorrow is going to be a sub job for me, just so I can knock this out, because if you look inside here, I'm definitely going to have to get in there and start making up a wire scheme and figure out a length of my wire, because whatever length I have, I'm going to have to make all my sub wires that same length. So I won't have one sub getting more current than the other. So that's something that's going to be interesting. But I got one sub in. It looks pretty damn good. The holographic logos. You look in the back, you can kind of see where they'll load at. It's kind of at an angle right at this little board right here. So, but yeah, this is what I got done so far. And like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be putting all the subs in and not hooking them up, but just mainly installing them so I can have the subs already mounted already, because that's going to be like the biggest job right there. So this is what I got for now. More progress in stored.